Before going to the answer to this question, first you understand or you read this question very carefully. What will happen if the secretion of the parietal cells of gastric gland is blocked with an inhibitor? What do you mean by the inhibitor? The inhibitor is a chemical or any substance which inhibit or which completely arrests the functions of the another thing. So the gastric gland, the parietal cells of the gastric gland is one of the main gland that is present in our stomach region. The main function is it produces the hydrochloric acid secretions. So this hydrochloric acid will not be produced if you block this part. So that is the major things. So that is the correct answer for this. So the correct answer is C. In the absence of HCl secretion, inactive pepsinogen is not converted into a active enzyme pepsin is the another thing. So let us discuss something about the gastric glands. What do you mean by the gastric glands? These are glands, or we can say that they are the small cells that are distributed along the lining of the stomach, inside the lining of the stomach. So depending upon the place where it is present, it has got three different kinds of names. So we can divide the stomach into three regions. One is the point at which the esophagus opens into the stomach. That part is known as the cardiac region. So the glands or the secretory glands that are present in these cardiac regions are known as the cardiac glands. And these cardiac glands is the part nearest to the heart, enclosing the opening where esophagus joins with the stomach, and they are fewer in number. That is the importance. The another one is the fundic glands or oxyntic glands are there. The fundic gland or oxyntic glands are the one which is part in the biggest part of the stomach. They are found in the fundus or body of the stomach, and they are simple, almost straight tubes. Then these oxyntic means acid secreting, they secrete hydrochloric acid. The pyloric glands are the one which is present in the pyloric region of the stomach. The pylorus region is present between the duodenum and the stomach region where it joins, that is known as the pyloric joints. So we talk about the gastric gland cells. It is made up of many types of the cells. One is mucous neck cells which secretes the mucus. Stem cells replace the damaged cells. Then parietal cells or oxyntic cells are present there. They produce the hydrochloric acid section, and this part is asked in your question. So if the parietal cells are blocked in the gastric gland, then there will not be any HCl secretion. Then it won't able to convert the pepsin into the pepsinogen action. Then they have got zymogen cells, then endocrine cells which secrete the gastric hormone, like that. So they have got the different kinds of cells. Everything is included and commonly called as the gastric gland. That's all.